how to download song in Apple Music. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can download a song in Apple Music. So first of all, you need to know that you have to sign up for the Apple Music and have the app downloaded on your desktop or PC, and you must have subscribed to their monthly or yearly package. And after that, you can just select any song from here, and then you can just see a option from here that is add to music, add to library. And after clicking on add to library, there will be a option called download, and if you check on the download option, then all the music of this playlist will be downloaded to your device. And if you want a specific music to download, then you can just click on three dot here, and when you have purchased the monthly or yearly subscription from them, you can see a option called download from here, and you can just click and directly download the music to your device. So that's it for this video guys. See you on the next one.